In recent years, China has dramatically accelerated its military modernization, capturing global attention. By 2025, its defense budget soared past $230 billion United States dollars, trailing only the United States, with an average annual increase exceeding 6%. This investment goes beyond mere scale, prioritizing cutting-edge technology, hypersonic missiles reaching speeds of Mach 10, multi-layered air defense systems, and advanced naval platforms like aircraft carriers equipped with electromagnetic launch systems. By blending domestic research, an expansive defense industry, and large-scale field testing, China has rapidly closed the gap with traditional military powers. During the 2025 military parade, China showcased 20 advanced weapon systems, each featuring groundbreaking technologies that reflect its ambition to lead in critical domains, from space and deep-sea operations to electronic warfare and missile defense, igniting a fierce technological arms race for the next decade. The YJ-21 missile, first unveiled by Beijing in 2022, is a hypersonic anti-ship weapon capable of reaching speeds exceeding Mach 10 and a range of 930 miles, 1,500 kilometers. This missile allows China to project power beyond the reach of most existing defense systems. Its extreme speed reduces an adversary's reaction time to mere minutes, posing significant challenges for interception systems like Aegis and Thayad in detecting and locking onto targets. This capability is pivotal to China's anti-accessory denial of 2AD strategy, enabling control over nearby seas and deterring United States naval forces in the South China Sea. The combination of long-range, hypersonic speed, and powerful warheads makes the YJ-21 a symbol of China's missile technology leap, presenting a new defense challenge for regional rivals. The Dongfeng 17D-17, a medium-range ballistic missile equipped with a hypersonic glide vehicle, DFZF-HGV, entered service with the People's Liberation Army in 2019. This design integrates a solid-fuel rocket booster with a highly maneuverable glide vehicle, operating at speeds from Mach 5 to Mach 10, making it far harder to intercept than traditional ballistic trajectories. The DF-17 has an estimated range of 1,100 to 1,550 miles, 1,800 to 2,500 kilometers, capable of carrying conventional or nuclear warheads with near pinpoint accuracy, deviating only a few meters in tests. Its high maneuverability allows it to evade defenses like THAAD, SM-3, and Patriot systems. First displayed at the October 2019 parade, the DF-17 marks a major advance in the PLA's rapid, precise strike capability, intensifying pressure on United States defenses in the Pacific. The HQ-9B, an upgraded version of the HQ-9 air defense system, boasts a range of 160 miles, 260 kilometers, and an interception altitude of up to 164,000 feet at 50 kilometers. Equipped with dual-mode guidance combining active electronically scanned array, AESA radar and passive infrared seekers, it excels at detecting and destroying stealth aircraft, cruise missiles, and tactical ballistic missiles. Regarded as one of China's most advanced homegrown air defense systems, the HQ-9B is widely deployed around Beijing, Tibet, and the South China Sea, forming a robust long-range air defense shield comparable or superior to the United States Patriot PAC-3. It also competes commercially with Russia's S-300 and S-400 systems, particularly in the Middle East. The J-20 Mighty Dragon, China's pioneering fifth-generation stealth fighter, has been upgraded with domestically developed WS-15 engines and advanced AESA radar. Localizing engine production is a strategic breakthrough, reducing reliance on foreign technology and enabling supersonic combat speeds. Though refinements are ongoing, the AESA radar triples the J-20's detection range, significantly enhancing target tracking. Armed with long-range air-to-air missiles like the PL-15 and PL-17, it plays a critical role in long-range combat and disrupting adversaries' kill chains. These upgrades position the J-20 as a formidable rival to stealth fighters like the F-22 and F-35, creating a significant challenge in Asia-Pacific air combat. The twin-engine J-35 stealth fighter, evolved from the FC-31, is designed for carrier-based operations, leveraging the catapult system on the Fujian carrier. From 2021 to 2025, it progressed from prototype to limited production, with clear potential for PLA Navy deployment. A land-based J-35 variant for the Air Force also emerged, promising versatility in air combat and long-range strikes. Compared to the F-35, the J-35's dual engines and lower export costs make it competitive. Though it lags by 10 to 15 years overall, its export to Pakistan signals China's entry into the fifth-generation stealth fighter market. The H-20 stealth bomber, with its flying wing design, represents a leap in China's strategic deterrence. It has a minimum range of 5,300 miles, 8,500 kilometers, extendable to over 6,200 miles, 10,000 kilometers with aerial refueling, capable of threatening United States bases in Guam and Hawaii. With a payload of 10 tons, 22,000 pounds, it can carry nuclear or conventional weapons, enhancing China's global strike capability. The KJ-600, a carrier-based airborne early warning and control AEW and C aircraft, enhances China's fleet coordination and airspace control. Featuring a high-wing design with twin turboprop engines and a large radar atop its fuselage, similar to the United States E-2 Hawkeye. It first flew on August 29, 2020, set for deployment on the Type 003 carrier by 2025. The KJ-600 strengthens the PLA Navy's long-range surveillance and real-time response, especially against United States or allied carriers in the Asia-Pacific. The Harbin Z-20, a 10-ton multi-role helicopter, serves China's Army and Navy. With a top speed of 220 miles per hour, 360 kilometers per hour, a range of 350 miles, 560 kilometers, and a ceiling of 20,000 feet, 6,000 meters. It outperforms the United States UH-60 Black Hawk with its domestically developed 2,145 shaft horsepower engines. Variants like the Z-20J and Z-20F, designed for anti-submarine warfare, operate from destroyers to carriers, showcased at the 2024 Zhuhai Air Show. The Z-20 reflects China's drive to fill naval defense gaps and assert maritime sovereignty. The Type 055, classified by NATO as a cruiser, stands as the largest and most advanced warship in the Chinese Navy today. With a displacement exceeding 13,000 tons, approximately 28,600 kilotons. This design significantly surpasses the United States Ticonderoga class and is equipped with 112 vertical launch system VLS cells, capable of deploying a wide array of anti-ship, air defense, and land attack missiles. Its sophisticated S-band and X-band AESA radars, paired with advanced sensor systems, enhance its surveillance range and command capabilities, making it a pivotal platform for coordinating entire fleet operations. The Type 055 is described as potentially the most formidable surface warship China has ever built and is considered equal to or superior to the Ticonderoga class in certain tactical roles. A recent simulation showcased the Type 055, integrated with a kill web drone network, defeating a United States fleet, clear evidence of China's ambition to develop a symmetric, modern, and powerful naval force. The Type 003 Fujian marks China's first aircraft carrier equipped with an advanced electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMALS, a top-tier technology previously exclusive to the United States and France. With a displacement of approximately 80,000 tons, the carrier can accommodate 50 to 60 aircraft on its deck, significantly enhancing China's ability to project superior air power. The EMALS technology offers smoother, faster, and more resilient launches compared to traditional steam systems, enabling the deployment of heavier aircraft with greater safety and efficiency. The Catabar configuration on the Fujian allows the People's Liberation Army to substantially elevate its capabilities for protecting distant sea lanes, conducting maritime surveillance, and executing multi-role operations, representing a monumental leap from a regional military power to a global force. The Type 094A, also known as the Jin class, represents China's first strategic platform for undersea nuclear deterrence. Equipped with the latest JL-3 ballistic missiles, boasting a range exceeding 10,000 kilometers, it can target the mainland United States from nearby waters while remaining shielded by China's A2AD anti-access area denial systems. With approximately 12 vertical launch tubes and an estimated diving speed of up to 30 knots, the Type 094A enables Beijing to establish a reliable nuclear second strike capability, even in large-scale confrontations. Concurrently, the Type 096, a next-generation submarine under development, features reduced noise levels, larger size, and is expected to carry up to 24 JL-3 missiles, elevating China's deterrence to a global scale. The expansion in both quantity and quality of SSBN's ballistic missile submarines underscores a fundamental shift in China's nuclear power structure, aiming to achieve parity with or even surpass the United States in undersea strategic capabilities. The GJ-11 Sharp Sword is a stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, with a flying wing design. Developed by AVIC for precision strike and reconnaissance missions, this drone features 2 internal weapons bays and a design optimized to minimize radar cross-section. While being equipped with decoy launching capabilities and electronic warfare systems, particularly when operating from ships like the Type 075 or the new Type 076 class, with the potential to function as a loyal wingman alongside the J-20 stealth fighter, the GJ-11 introduces a new paradigm of coordinated, unmanned offensive warfare, reducing risks to pilots in complex combat environments. The large-scale deployment of test models and active research into ship-based operations reflect China's significant strides in air combat automation, sending a clear message that the nation is leading the development of next-generation UCAVs, capable of reshaping the balance of operational airspace. The WZ-8 is a hypersonic unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV developed for strategic surveillance missions at high altitudes nearing the edge of space. This drone can achieve speeds exceeding Mach 3 and operate at an altitude of approximately 100,000 feet, 30 kilometers, far above the upper atmosphere, making it nearly undetectable by traditional radar systems. Its specialized design is tailored for penetrating surveillance missions, such as orbiting beyond radar range and delivering electro-optical imagery and synthetic aperture radar SAR data in scenarios where satellites are unavailable. This capability grants the People's Liberation Army unparalleled see-through power without a visible military presence, paving the way for hybrid space espionage warfare and strategic airspace control, particularly valuable in regions like the South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait. The Type 99A, the most advanced model in the Type 99 series, is a main battle tank weighing about 55 tons, equipped with a 125mm gun, modern composite armor, explosive reactive armor, optical thermal sensors, and a digitized fire control system with automatic ammunition loading, meteorological sensors, advanced optics, and global positioning system integration. The Type 99A showcases China's superior made-in-China engineering. It rivals the United States M1A2 Abrams and Europe's Leopard 2 in performance, boasting a range over 370 miles, 600 kilometers, and a top speed above 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour. It ensures swift battlefield mobility, coordinating effectively with infantry, artillery, and air forces in modern warfare scenarios, solidifying China's leadership in armored combat technology. The PCL-191 PHL-16, a wheeled multiple launch rocket system, fires 370mm rockets up to 350 kilometers, 217 miles, or 750mm air defense missiles. Its modular design allows rapid munition switching, ideal for multi-target engagements. Highly mobile with fast reloads, it enhances the PLA's rapid response and deterrence capabilities, particularly near the Taiwan Strait. The PCL-191's precision and versatility make it a critical tool for both offensive and defensive operations, strengthening China's strategic flexibility in high-stakes scenarios. This system underscores China's advancements in rocket artillery, positioning it as a formidable player in modern warfare and challenging global military powers. The Poly WB-1, a non-lethal directed energy weapon, uses millimeter wave beams to induce intense pain without physical harm. Unveiled at the 2014 Air Show China, it operates at 80 meters, with potential to reach 1 kilometer with increased power. This system highlights China's strides in non-traditional warfare, competing with Western, non-lethal technologies. The WB-1's ability to control crowds or deter threats without casualties positions it as a revolutionary tool for maritime and urban operations. Its development reflects China's innovative approach to modern warfare, blending advanced technology with strategic versatility and reinforcing its leadership in non-lethal combat solutions. The JY-300, a pioneering unmanned early warning drone, stands out with its groundbreaking design, integrating radar directly into its wings and fuselage, a global first in aviation technology. Unlike traditional systems with disc or mass radars mounted on top, this innovative configuration minimizes radar cross-section and aerodynamic drag, enabling longer and farther flights. The JY-300's radar operates in multi-frequency modes, combining active electronically scanned array OISA and electro-optical infrared ERA sensors, delivering unparalleled capability to detect and track multiple air and sea targets simultaneously in all weather conditions. By eliminating the need for a pilot, this unmanned aerial vehicle conducts continuous early warning missions, reducing human risk and operational costs, hailed as a cost-effective, flexible alternative to the United States E-2 Hawkeye airborne warning and control system. The JY-300 empowers the People's Liberation Army to expand its strategic surveillance network. It enhances rapid response capabilities in conflict scenarios, marking a significant leap in China's electronic warfare and unmanned technology, positioning it as a global leader in next-generation military innovation. China's SC-19 system captured global attention after a landmark test in January 2007, when a missile launched from the Jiuquan site successfully intercepted the FY-1C weather satellite at an orbit of 537 miles, 865 kilometers, marking China's first anti-satellite ASAT weapon test. Developed from the DF-21 ballistic missile, the SC-19 employs a kinetic kill warhead, destroying targets through impact energy rather than explosives. Over the next 13 years, at least 7 tests were conducted, including a 2021 intercept at approximately 155 miles, 250 kilometers, demonstrating technological maturity and expanded high-altitude missile defense capabilities. Paired with the HQ-19, an advanced variant designed for exo-atmospheric intercepts, China now wields critical deterrence tools in the space arms race. These systems position China to rival the United States and Russia, signaling Beijing's ability to protect or neutralize space assets during escalating crises, reshaping global space security dynamics with cutting-edge technology. The DF-100, also known as the CJ-100, is China's latest long-range hypersonic cruise missile, boasting a maximum range of 1,200 miles, 2,000 kilometers, and a speed of Mach 5. Equivalent to over 3,800 miles per hour, 6,125 kilometers per hour, deployable from mobile ground launchers or H-6N bombers. It offers flexible strikes against both land-based targets and offshore fleets. Its advanced aerodynamic design and hypersonic flight trajectory drastically reduce enemy detection and reaction time, enhancing its ability to penetrate sophisticated air defense systems. Equipped with powerful warheads, the DF-100 poses a direct threat to United States military bases in the Western Pacific, including Guam. Its emergence highlights Beijing's rapid progress in closing the gap in long-range strike capabilities, building strategic deterrence not only regionally but also globally, challenging the advanced cruise missile systems of the United States and Russia with cutting-edge technology. The DF-27 stands as one of China's most remarkable achievements in hypersonic missile technology, boasting an impressive range of 5,000 miles, 8,000 kilometers, covering nearly the entire Indo-Pacific region and extending to American territories in the Pacific. Equipped with a hypersonic glide vehicle, HGV warhead, the DF-27 can travel at speeds reaching Mach 10 and execute complex maneuvers in its terminal phase, making it nearly impossible for missile defense systems like Aegis or THAAD to intercept. United States intelligence reports from 2023 confirmed that the DF-27 successfully passed long-range flight tests, solidifying China's lead in the global hypersonic arms race. The deployment of the DF-27 by the People's Liberation Army demonstrates Beijing's commitment to building intercontinental strategic deterrence capabilities, compelling Washington to consider deploying additional high-altitude interception systems, such as the Patriot PAC-3 MSE, to counter this threat. The emergence of the DF-27 reshapes the global strategic defense balance, cementing China's position as a leading high-tech military superpower. In less than 2 decades, China has transformed from a nation reliant on imported defense technology into a self-sufficient military powerhouse with cutting-edge weapon systems spanning every domain: Air Force, Navy, ballistic missiles, hypersonic technology, space warfare, and electronic combat. The emergence of missiles like the DF-27 with intercontinental range, anti-satellite systems such as the SC-19 and HQ-19, and the Type 003 Fujian aircraft carrier equipped with advanced electromagnetic launch technology demonstrate that China is closing the gap with, and in some areas surpassing, fields once dominated exclusively by the United States and Russia. By integrating its A280 strategy with the development of stealth unmanned aerial vehicles like the GJ-11 and unmanned airborne radar systems like the JY-300, Beijing has established a multi-layered deterrence capability, spanning deep seas, skies, and space orbits. This military might not only reshapes the security balance in the Asia-Pacific region, but also positions China among the elite nations capable of shaping the global military order in the 21st century, marking its evolution from a follower to a true strategic rival to traditional superpowers.